taxi. Okay, did you bring your wallet?
Dito kami. Taas kami sa doon. Tapos nag-enjoy ako ng hotdog ngayon.
It's my voice over now.
Nakakapagod to.
Ito nga tayo kalahati eh. I have a flaming dreams. She is my friend.
Nandito kami sa National Bookstore. My favorite store of all time. Kasi they chose Beanie. And Beanie chose them. And I'm choosing Beanie. And Beanie chose me. Ang best. Best. Meron ng storage box. Oh my God.
Nadagdagan din to.
Ang saya.
Ang saya, sobrang
I love you and BS forever. Anong masasabi mo sa National Bookstore? Thank you.
Good job.
Yeah, we got the goods, y'all.
So guys, watch us in the next video to unbox.
Yes, that's so right. We're going to go to supermarket.
And check the chili juice.
Yeah.
Extra big pancit lang to.
Girl. Oh my gosh, I really don't know what we got. We got. Like, what the fuck? What the hell? What the heck? What the freak? Kid version kasi ito eh. Dito si Aki, girl. So we're not supposed to like talk profanity as Luis clocked me last time. Like, when I say "Brr," or she or poo, na, ganun. She's always clocking me like, oh, profanity. So here we are. Ito ang pinakamahal na repolyo makikita nyo sa Pilipinas. Sa palengke is ito magkano?
50 yung ganito.
Oh, sis. How many steps were it?
29! Yes, yes, yes.
Really?
Yes, yes, yes.
From the...
Jello. I'm ready to taste my jello.
Bonak naman.
So yun guys, nakasakay na kami sa taxi. May nakikiuna pa sa amin sa taxi.
Yeah. Hindi kasi, to be fair, tayo naman yung nauna dito sa spot na yun. Tapos, nakaka-disrespect lang na nasa...
Shadow lumot para.
Oh? Well,
Well, nakita
bakit hindi siya pumunta, diba? Na, make me blah, Hi guys.
Hi friends!
Ang cute!
Nag-stop kami mag-bend. Okay, so Stacy at collect yung eraser. Yeah.
I said I wanted Colette or Joanna.
Yeah, and you got
So
them.
cute!
So
Guys, ang
first,
ganda.
mini storage box.
Mika!
Joanna.
Let's see what's yours first. If you get Colette.
Oh my God, I got Stacy
Oh!
Mika, tama to.
I know, I don't need na your Joanna. I got my very own Joanna! I love her. I love you, Joanna. I love you, Joanna. Christine Burgos Robles ng Calamba, Laguna.
You're the best, Joanna.
Okay.
Oh my God. Let's hack him.
Hindi ko kukunin. Huwag na.
Don't tell me guys.
Waiting for this. When?
Gwen, I love it. Why? Why are you sad? Ganda naman yung dapat Mika.
Alam mo, Mika na ako.
Thanks.
Bakit si
Maloy and kulit na.
Si Maloy Kulit at Joanna lagi na napupul.
Who did you pull?
Maloy?
Alam, maganda yung boses niya. Why is sad? Okay.
Medical din na kasi siya.
Si Gwen. Do you wanna trade? Gwen. Maloy.
You don't feel like that ba?
Madami ka. Favorite ko si Maloy. Ito yung gagamitin ko sa signals. Maganda rin naman talaga yung boses mo.
Her voice is a dark one.
What's your name?
Hindi ko to sinilip or anything. Oh my God, it's Colette!
Colette!
Yung kayo gusto mo ba?
Yeah, siya yung pinaka-OG bias ko. At nung hindi ko pa nakikilala ang Bini.